Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss, is mass shootings really on the rise in the USA? If yes, then why? We collected different data from gunviolencearchive.org. Data were collected daily in 2015. We identified different data types like mass shootings cases, people killed and injured, children killed and injured. We found that out of 365 days, 333 days of mass shootings happened where people were killed, and on 179 days, children were killed. There kind of a possibility of some missing data. In summary, we found like 311 children were killed and 44 were injured. Maximum number of children were killed in Texas, 32. Maximum number of injured were in Georgia, 4. In case of people, 369 people were killed and 1,328 were injured. Maximum people killed in Texas, 41. Maximum were injured in California, 120. In this graph, we can see in March, maximum number of children were killed, 39, followed by October and in August. Here we can see how data points are very closely connected and very close to each other, people and children killed. In this graph, you can see if it is an injured, then people are a lot less injured. It might be like people can survive, but children cannot be survived. That's why they are getting killed easily. When we classified the data based on states, we found in California 120, in Illinois 100, in Florida 92, and in New York 90 injured people we found. That is the highest. And in case of killed, we found Texas, we found California. So based on this graph, we can see like the mass shooting prone areas are like California, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, New York, Texas. Based on the race, we found mostly white peoples are getting killed. White males, or 55% of white males were killed, followed by 80% of black, 8% of Latino, and 7% of Asian people. In this trend analysis, we found a lot of ups and downs from 1996 to 2016. But if we take a close look, we found from 2014 to 2016, there is a sharp increase of mass shootings event. In this graph, we can see like how 2014 to 2016, a sharp increase of mass shootings event which can kill and injure a lot of people. In next case, we tried to identify some of the key facts. First of all, we found out of 85 cases, 67 cases weapons were obtained legally, and most of the handguns of 60 and shotguns of 20 out of 85 occurrences were used. In case of venue, we found religious, airport, and school are the primary target. And also, if we check once again, not only that, because mass shootings is occurring not only to schools or airport but also in other places. You see how it is had increased a lot to the other places. Finally, prior signs of mental illness is also another point. Like out of 85, we found in 48 cases the person was previously diagnosed as some mental problems even before he or she has become mass shooters. In this regression analysis, children killed and mass killed, we found it is not very correlated, but if we take a closer look, the prediction says it can increase very soon. In case of children injured and mass injured, it is negatively correlated, but the downward regression tells us that this will be decreasing, whereas people killing and children killing will be increasing very soon. So what are the motivators? Based on the literature review, we found mental illness, easy access to gun and gun laws, desire for quick fame, media's influence by getting very upset or very aggressive behavior, and the upbringing and influence by parents or siblings or friends and relatives. That are the top 5 reasons for changing a person or influencing a person to become mass shooter. And primary themes are kind of like to take revenge, to show power, to prove loyalty to specific beliefs or religion, to create terror and make some profits are the primary themes to motivate a person as a mass shooter. In case of methodological proposal, we apply data cleaning by identifying different unclassified data, we categorize them, and we transform them from CSV to spreadsheet and different other formats. We merge the three different types of data so that we can analyze correctly, and we also find some problem where data categorizing and data processing as per requirement. We found very less outlier in 17 and 19, which are legitimate because data were based on the people killed. There are some complex components like data combination to extract the format, and data were collected in different formats, so combining them was pretty tough. Also, we found potential and pitfalls, like it was difficult, sometimes data were missing, so we have to understand what data is missing and how it is verified or not. That was also difficult. These are the references that we have used. Thank you for your time.